Hey, it's Matt from Black Hole Woodworking. Welcome back. I saw a video of a guy that did a $10 vase in 10 minutes, and I thought to myself, that's gotta be doable. The guy's vase looked very nice, it was great. His technique was fine, of course, he was decent. But I thought, man, I gotta be able to do that in half the time. So I set out to try to do that over several attempts, and nope, no way. I couldn't get under 10 minutes, never mind getting to 5. So this is my attempt. I started out by drilling a hole off camera. That took maybe 30 seconds. And I've been roughing it down to round with a Continental spindle gouge ever since. I tend to rough down with the Continental spindle gouge just so I don't use my skew here, because I want to leave it as sharp as possible. Also, a big thing here is lining that bevel up with the cut. Then you get a pretty smooth cut. Okay, now that I'm down to round, I'm going to use a peeling cut to shape the top of the vase. It's the quickest way I know to remove a lot of material very quickly and give it a very rough shape. The edges are going to be super frayed, but that's okay. It'll be much easier to clean up with a spindle gouge in a moment. While I've got the skew, I'm just going to take one cut so I don't have to sand later. I'll clean up the bottom. And for the top, there's a couple of small chamfers I wanted. And a cut across the top to make sure that end grain is clean. Now we'll finish shaping the top with a 1/2-inch spindle gouge. A quick inspection to make sure all the wood is cut clean. And now it's time for finishing. I'm going to use walnut oil and shellac for this finish, and then follow it up with a quick top coat of beeswax. Another quick inspection, and it's time for wax. A little more shellac for the top, and we're done. Well, that was pretty close to 5 minutes. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and thanks for watching.